NFT have grown at an alarmingly fast rate over the past few years. As a person interested in NFT, you know how non-fungible tokens are revolutionizing the way we perceive our world by bridging our tangible and virtual realities. At some point, this bubble will burst. Though NFT will eventually crash, it is not known precisely when it will happen. The best estimate is soon. Through NFT and cryptocurrencies, we have found a way to add value to the intangible, allowing us financial gain, both physically and in cryptocurrency. But when will NFT crash? We will discuss some possible scenarios. So welcome back, guys. Before going to start, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell for the future videos. Let's jump right into it. There are many different non-fungible tokens and token types. Depending on what NFT you have invested in will determine what you watch. NFT categories include art, collectibles, games, memes, metaverse, or Decentraland utility. Maddie DCL blogger explains that for traditional investors, it is difficult to comprehend how tokens have value because they are used to buying equity shares in companies. Within the NFT communities, a token provides a way to transact and distribute value. NFT are here to stay. Those watching NFT on the market have already witnessed crashes, such as the June 2021 crash. Like most stock investments, the inflated buying and selling can only be supported for so long before interest wanes and prices plummet. This does not mean that these stocks are dead, just that the bubble created in the buying frenzy became too large and burst. With NFT, especially collectibles and art, it is a lot like watching the value of physically tangible collection pieces, such as trading cards, fine art, antiques, classic cars. During certain time frames, the estimated value will rise or fall according to what people are interested in and the state of the economy. As collectors and knowledgeable investors, people won't often panic if the value of what they have suddenly dropped. They will sit on it, knowing the market will pick back up eventually. So during these crashes, if you didn't sell your affected NFT when their value was high, you will see your investment plummet. Depending on what NFT you invested in, these seemingly worthless tokens may shoot up with another influx of interest and a buying frenzy. So let's look at why NFT crashed in June 2021 and what could influence future crashes. What scenarios could cause an NFT crash? There are a few scenarios that could cause the NFT market to crash. Some of these include copyright infringements and scams, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency crashes, silent crashes. Because non-fungible tokens are relatively new, there will be issues that need to be addressed, like copyright infringement to protect investors as well as creators. Many NFT experts, including NFTverse, remind us that NFT are highly volatile right now. How will copyright infringements cause an NFT crash? Copyright infringements of NFT need to be considered when investing because we have strict copyright laws in place. As an investor or consumer, you need to research the IP, intellectual property ownership, before making your investment. If someone has incorporated someone else's work into their work without having rights to that work, they can be fined, as can any buyers that did not do their due diligence. Copyright infringement can cause an NFT to crash because high prices and extreme interest are suddenly sour. How do NFT scams cause a market crash? NFT scams fall into the copyright infringement area. However, a person can unknowingly have a copyright infringement where scammers are outright stealing the non-fungible tokens and selling them as their own for a minute fraction of the original. As these scams take hold, investors need to do their research and ensure they are buying from a verified seller with a blue ticket next to their name. Research the NFT you are interested in. DCL blogger uncovered a very elaborate scam called MetaBulls, where the creator claimed they had created a game solely in the metaverse, and by buying NFT, you could play using your MetaBull avatar, gain sweepstakes access, earn other opportunities. This site claimed that the more NFT you bought of the MetaBulls, the further you would advance in the game, but none of it was real. They did not exist and were just there attempting to take your money. Pump and dump scams have been around for a very long time. These directly affect the market because someone will buy large amounts of certain NFT, driving the demand for that asset. Once they have driven the price up, they dump or sell it off quickly, causing the market value of that non-fungible token to plummet. When investors and collectors begin noticing an influx of scams, they may shy away from certain NFT that are going strong. This too can cause a valley in the NFT market. How do cryptocurrencies affect NFT? NFT are a type of cryptocurrency according to crypto news. Therefore, when something affects cryptocurrencies, such as China banning the use of cryptocurrency or Elon Musk refusing cryptocurrency as payment, it affects what happens with NFT. So the value of the NFT rises and falls accordingly. Those investing in NFT may see their stock fall rapidly and panic sell for fear of losing all of their investment. NFT enthusiasts do not view crypto in equal terms as NFT because they hold value distinct from the cryptocurrency that bought them. The NFT silent crash. In April 2021, people began noticing the floor value of NFT dropping out seemingly overnight, although prices have been dropping since February 2021, as buyers vanished and sellers dropped their prices because nothing was moving. The NFT market took a huge hit. For many, the bottom dropping out was surprising. They just didn't see it coming. When it was noticed, many sold NFT for a fraction of what they bought them for out of fear, or not being able to watch the investment plummet so rapidly. The market had gone bearish. By June 2021, news began circulating that the NFT market had officially crashed, falling nearly 90% from its May peak and NFT wallets dropping from 12,000 to 3,900 as of June 2. Headlines circulated the internet. Some of these headlines wondered if NFT were dead. The bullish push of frenzied buyers had reached a breaking point. To those without much knowledge, it looked like NFT were a quick-dying fad, but that was not the case. This lull provided an opportunity to those still in the game. Though everything had slowed to a crawl, the NFT market continued to survive, making this more of a valley than a genuine crash. NFT recovery. By September 2021, the NFT market had shown recovery and was in a bullish phase, rising rapidly as athletes and celebrities began buying and showing off their NFT collectibles. Businesses and auction houses also started jumping into the NFT world, further adding to the NFT market. Since the September peak, NFT have seen a downward trend, with NFT buyers showing an upward trend. It is thought this is due to the cooling off period of secondary markets, and could also be due to lower ticket prices as new crypto buyers enter the market. This steady slowing shows a more cautious NFT community. Are you ready for the next crash in the NFT market? According to Gary Vee, an NFT winter is coming. The media picked up on his predictions at the beginning of November. Gary says this NFT winter will be harder than what was seen in April and May of 2021. This winter is necessary for the NFT market to weed out the greed and gain control of the supply and demand problems. During this time, investors who have researched the NFT well will be able to invest in more stable projects that will last. According to Dub Clinton, the NFT winter might be spurred by Coinbase entering the crypto market. We will most likely see a surge and then another bottom drop. However, this NFT winter is all speculation. NFT are new, and, like anything new and popular, no one knows what will happen next. It could just as easily keep it on an upward and forward trajectory. It is best to be prepared for the worst while hoping for the best. It is safe to say that NFT are here to stay. Most NFT investors and holders say, don't get too caught up in getting to the peaks and be mentally prepared for the valleys to come. So let me know your thoughts about the NFT market crash. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.